Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a video on futures trading and how to trade futures. So there are a lot of news going around on the internet saying that futures is gamble, you lose money on futures and so on. But I'm here to just give you guys a brief overview of futures and how it works because I've been trading futures now for over 1 year now and I'm making money. Although there are losses, but I always make sure that my profit is usually more than my losses. So I will tell you guys on how to trade futures and how to be a pro. This is the real truth about futures trading. Forget whatever you see on the internet, people saying that come and do this and do that to make money. No, I'll tell you guys the real truth about futures trading and how it works. First of all, sports. You all know sport trading now, like normal trading that we all used to. You buy low, you say high, or you buy to hold for a long time. So on features, they added some little features to it where you have leverage, you have cross and isolated, and there are more tools like your risk management tools involved in it. Then you can long, you can short. Now on our spot trading, as we know, you can only buy low and sell high. But on futures, you have the option of shorting, like you see that okay, the market is going down. Now I'll buy at a okay, let's say the price is selling at 10 naira for example, or $10. I will buy at $10, saying that okay, this will go down to like $5. So that's basically short in futures trading. So let's go in depth about it. I'll show you guys how it works. Okay, now this is my Binance app. Okay, so I'm showing you guys now on this trading. So this is the normal trading window. Okay, yeah, I'm already on my features interface. You can come here and change it. You can see at this part here I'm at perpetual. You can go back to your spot trading if you want, but this is the features view of it. Now let me put it full screen now. Now you can see my screen, my full screen now. Now at this point now, you see Bitcoin over here. Bitcoin. This is where you come here to search your different coins on futures. You can go through this and see different coins be traded on futures. Not every coin on spot that is on futures. So there are some coins that are on your spots and at the same time too they are at your futures. So this is it. Now this is your if you log into your Binance and go to your futures, this is what you see now at your overview. This is your mark price index for funding and countdown, 24 hours low, 24 hours high, and so on. Now, leverage. Let me give you just a quick view of leverage. Leverage is that now you have 5x. I think if you are trading Bitcoin, you have up to 125x. So leverage now, how it works is that let's say I have $1,000 and I take leverage of 10x. It means that now I have close to $10,000 now to trade on the coin. So I'm basically taking money from Binance now to ask my money to trade. With that way now, with my leverage now, I will get higher money to trade on the coin and easily make money. Okay, now let's say someone trading on spot now with $1,000 and with just 10% move will make $100. Why me trading on futures with just 10% move? I already have my 100% on the amount I invested on that particular trade. So you can see why futures is let's say a very quick way to make money. Although there's some factors you have to consider when trading futures. Number one, what I see most traders do is that greed. That's one of the factors killing affecting people trading on futures. Now they just want to make money. They don't care. They also you see some will be in profit of 100%, 200%. They won't take profit. They will still be holding it. In that way too, they might lose everything now, or they don't take profit on time. And the most important thing is your risk management. You have to apply risk management when trading futures. Now let's say I buy a coin, for example. Now I'm trading that coin now. I must apply risk management. So this is the technique I've been using now for a long time now to make money on futures. What are the tools using to use on your risk management? You just come here like this. Now this is the Binance. You can see my arrow on the screen. Now this is the stop limit. So this is where I basically apply my risk management tools. So at least always apply stop loss on your trade. And if before you enter a trade, always make sure that okay, this is where I'm taking my profits at this trade. Not I'll buy a coin, you won't know what to take profits, you bring profits, you won't take profits. At the end, you end up losing that trade and you get liquidated. So sometimes the market might go against you, then you stop it and just wait. And don't do revenge trading. For example, now you lose money, you know, like no, I, I want to make this money back today. By so doing that, you end up losing more money. So just try and avoid those emotions. And if you lose money, for example, then you can just relax and clear your head and think of the next move before entering a trade. Not just go into a trade immediately after you lose money. So always try to control your emotions when trading futures. So this is what I've been doing for the past 1 year now, and I'm making profits trading on futures. And again, on futures, we have something we call cross and isolated. Let me show you guys how it works. Now this is isolated now, so you can change it to cross. So the difference between is that, okay, I'll be talking much about this because it's just an overview of it on futures trading and the real truth about futures trading. Okay, cross now, for example, is that if you lose money in cross trading, you will lose both the money you invested in the trade and your balance too. While on isolated, you only just lose the amount invested on the trade. You won't lose your balance. So that's the difference between cross and isolated. There's a course on this which will explain more about it. I'm just doing an overview of futures trading and how it works, and I've been making money from this for over 1 year now. So this is not a gamble. Some say it's gamble. It's not gamble. If you know what you are doing and you know how to apply your technical analysis tools, you make money on futures. So that's it now. Now for the other part now, the long and short, you can see value and say buy long and sell short. Now if I'm buying long now, I'm practically saying that okay, Bitcoin will go up. Now Bitcoin is selling at 46,000 at the moment now. So if I buy long now, I'm saying that okay, Bitcoin will go up. And as Bitcoin is going up, you will see my over here, your trade will be over here on your positions. You will see your take profits, your stop loss, and all that. So you can actually set a take profit at a point in time, or set a stop loss after your trade has been filled. So this is your open order. Most times it will be here. If your order has not been filled, your order history, everything about it is here at this exam part. Then you can see your P&L, your profit and loss too on this thing. Why sell short is when you are saying that the market will go down. So I'm probably saying, okay, I'm buying Bitcoin at 46, saying that Bitcoin might go back to 44 or 43k. So by so doing, you're also making money. So that's one of the big difference between sports trading and futures trading. So one thing people don't know is that about futures is that it's just like a secret now. Let me give you guys a secret about it now. Let's say I have money now, I'm trading, and I can let's say I have $10,000 now, so I can put 8,000 on my spot trading, just trading. Why put 2k on my futures now? Let's say I'm buying some coin on my spot now for long term. Why just the $2,000 I'm using now just be for my spot trading where I make money daily? Yet you can actually beat your money on futures. Now let's do the math. Now let's say you're making 10% every day of $2,000, which is a $200 daily. And on futures, you can still do that if you're not greedy. If you know what you're doing, because I have a course on that where you can take my course and you just have a good knowledge about futures and how to apply risk management and some tools to use to trade and make money. Now let's say I'm making 10% every day, which is very easy on futures to get if you're not greedy. That's a $200 daily. Now let's times that by 30 for 1 month, which will give us about that should give us that will give us $6,000. So you're practically making $6,000 monthly. Yeah, with just $2,000, and with that you can be compounding. You add that money back to your money and be trading too. That's how to just trade on futures. Or if you don't want to do that, there are still other methods which I'll teach you guys in my focus on futures I'm doing. Now you can, okay, let's say you're applying something like you trade with $2,000 for example, and you make 50%, which is $1,000. So you can share that money now and put 1,000 and remove your initial capital. So there are ways to this we can make. So futures is not a gamble. The only way you gamble on futures is when you use high leverage. You can simply using. Personally, I don't use more than 10s. That's what I recommend. 10s lower. So you can see people using 15s, 20s, and so on. Well, 20s you can use 20s most of the time, but not often. But anything more than 20s is a no for me. So that's like gamble. So futures is not actually a gamble. So forget what people are saying or this. If you know what you are doing and you know you get the right knowledge and information about it, futures trading is not actually a gamble. You can actually make money trading on futures. So guys, so that's how it is. So this is just an overview of it. If you guys are interested in this course, you let me know because I have a full course. The course is for 7 days on futures where you take it. Um, yeah, okay, yeah. The video, the classes for 7 days, and I have a group on futures where I've trained over 300 students on futures, and they're all doing well on futures. I will show you guys some testimonies where you can see my students doing well. I have a student who made close to $1 million. That was early this year. So we chatted again some time again. I asked him if he have made over $7 million trading futures. So this is not like I'm not making this up. So there are evidence to it to approve. If you're adapting this, you can send me a message. I will share. I will show you guys the screenshot of everything. So we have made over $7 million on trading futures. So futures is not actually a gamble. It's something you can actually make money on and use to make daily income. You get sport is good, fine. So yeah, I do sport, but my sport trading is majorly just buying and holding and keeping for a long time. Why? Sports is just my trading futures is just my daily income. So that's how it is. So futures is something everyone should consider and trade on. Now let me show you guys some testimonies about it. So this is an overview of your future trading. So this is how it's going to be if you place trade. I'm not giving you more details now because it's just an overview of it and the real truth about it. It's not as if so because I have a lot of people saying that I'm scared I will lose money on futures. People are saying it's a scam or that it's a gamble and so on. So it's not actually you can actually make money trading these futures. So guys, let me show you some evidence and testimonies about it. Okay, now this is some testimonies about it. Now you can see this is my group I created. This Binance Futures where I have close to 170 students at the moment. Now you can see these are some testimonies from students. Yeah, these are testimonies. You can see this profit now. This is a profit of PNL of over. Okay, the margin. Okay, the margin is $7,000. You can see the PNL over $5,000 profits. You can see the percent 69%. You can see the basis in 10s. So this is it. There are so many testimonies, so many. You can see this one to 95% profits. So it means that if you invested $1,000 now on this trade, now you have made over close to $950, close to your money invested on the trade. You can see a lot of testimonies. These are all for my students. Yeah. So futures is not actually a gamble. You can actually make money trading futures if you know what to do and you apply, you get the right knowledge. You can see now this is almost 100% profit now, $7,000 profits. So these are all my students making money on futures. You can see this one too. These are all my students making money. These two and this. So guys, futures is something you should come about. So if you want to take my course on futures, just send me a message or just on the comment section. Just say that I'm interested. I'll tell you what it takes to take the course, and after that, you'll be added to the group, and I will show you guys on how to make your daily money on futures if you're not greedy. So it's not actually a gamble. So guys, that's it about this class. If there's any question, you can just send me just ask me any question on the comment section. You can see this part, and you can see some students over 500% and 70% profit. So yeah, that's it. So if you're interested in this course, just let me know. So I'll tell you what to do, where you can start making money to trading daily on futures. Futures is something everybody should know how to trade on. It's not just sports. Sports is good, fine. I do trade on sport, but futures is what I do most of the time. Get. So thank you all, and I will just like this video and comment and tell me what you guys think. Thank you.